Meet the Palermo High Back Club Swivel Rocker from Ebel, the chair that makes outdoor lounging feel effortless. Settle in and you'll notice the smooth 360 swivel and gentle rocking motion that lets you turn toward the conversation, the view, or the fire pit without getting up. A taller back supports your shoulders and neck, while plush seat and back cushions keep you comfortable through long chats and late-night hangs. The frame is durable, powder-coated aluminum that resists rust and stands up to the elements with minimal upkeep, perfect for coastal patios and sunny spaces. You can tailor the look to your taste with performance fabrics, including Sunbrella options and quick-dry cushion upgrades, so spills and surprise showers are no stress. Prefer a specific vibe? Choose contemporary finishes that coordinate with the rest of your outdoor setup. It's part of the Palermo collection, which means you can add matching sofas, sectionals, tables, and more to build a cohesive lounge. And it's all backed by reassuring residential warranties for long-term peace of mind, plus straightforward care guidance that keeps maintenance simple. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.